Hello everyone, or should I say, Namaste. You might be wondering why I sound and look a little different today. Well, that's because I've transformed into none other than the King of Bollywood himself, Shah Rukh Khan. But don't worry, I haven't undergone any drastic plastic surgery or voice training. This transformation is all thanks to the power of AI and deepfake technology. And the best part, I'm going to teach you how to do it too. In this video, I'm taking through the step-by-step process of how you can use deepfake technology to change your face and voice. We'll explore how you use AI tools to create realistic deepfakes, ensuring you can become any celebrity you want, from Shah Rukh Khan to Rian and Messi. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to use these tools ethically and responsibly. But before we dive in, I have a small request. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when I release any tutorials like this one. Plus, you join a community of learners who are just as passionate about AI and technology as you are. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and let's dive into the world of deepfakes.
Hi guys, so you must have seen those videos on YouTube where there is one artist song being sung by another artist. Today I'm going to show you how to make that for yourself, and you could clone any celebrity or any person's voice using this tool. I'm going to attach all the links in the description below, so be sure to check them out later. We have with us here a link to a Google Doc which highlights all the instructions for what you need for this. So first you could do this either using an NVIDIA graphics card, or you could do this using something called Google Colab, which I'm going to show you later. This is the document. The link for this document is in the description below. We have with us here also an archive or a list of all the cloned voices we have so far. This is all from a Discord server. This is what the Discord server looks like. And let's say I search for a particular artist. Let's say I search for Shah Rukh Khan. This shows up right here. And all you need to do after that is follow the downloadable URL and copy that link and keep that for later. So we have this Excel sheet with multiple voices which are already cloned by many people. So we have with us here the Google Colab link. The first thing we need to do is connect to the runtime. Okay, it's connecting to the runtime. It's initializing. The next step is to install all the packages required to do this. It's going to take about 30 to 45 seconds to do that. Okay, so the installation is done. Once the installation is done, we need to download the model. We have a preloaded URL of Kanye's voice. I'm going to switch that up with the link we copied for Shah Rukh Khan's voice. I download this model. Okay, this model is now successfully imported. The next step is to start the GUI or the interface we'll be using to clone these voices. Okay, we have with us here a public URL, which we're going to open. Okay, so this here is our interface where all the magic happens. We have the model preloaded already. And then we have this section here in which we need to drop audio files we want conversion for. So let's say you have a voice note of yourself, you could drag and drop that voice note right here and it would do the conversion for you. So in this case, we can also record from our own microphone. Let's try that. Okay, so let's record a voice. Hey everyone, this is Shah Rukh. Okay, once the processing is done, we click on convert right here.
Hey everyone, this is Shah Rukh.
The voice was quite similar. I think it would depend on the clarity of your own voice, but this works for now. And again, you could do this for anyone's voice and convert it to somebody else's voice to a good degree. Okay, so the next step into cloning yourself into any celebrity is to change the face. So if you have a video of you, we could change your face into any other celebrity's face. I'm going to show you how to do that in a similar process now. Okay, so we have a Google Colab document called Roop to do this for us. I've attached the link in the description below. First things first, we need to connect to the GPU. Okay, so now that it's connected to the GPU and everything's initialized, let's do step 1, which is install all the libraries required to do this. Okay, we have all the necessary libraries installed for us right now. The next step we could do is we could mount this to our Google Drive, which means we could work with documents directly in our Google Drive itself. Okay, we need two things for this. The first is the target image of the person whose face you would like to clone. And the next thing we need is an input video. These are the two parameters in this step mentioned. So we need a target image and need an input video. Right here, we have all the documents. This is the Roop folder. Now what we need to do is we need to find a target face. Let's say this is the face I use. This is a picture of old SRK. I'm going to simply drag and drop this image onto our Google Colab space. The next thing we need is an input video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I won't lie, I spent the last 3 weeks shooting this video multiple times, but there was just so much ground to cover. Okay, so that's a video of me from my last video. I drag and drop this video on my Google Colab space the same way. The next step is to copy the paths to a specific files and copy paste that into this section here. So you copy the path for the target image. The third parameter is the output video, which would appear in the Roop folder as soon as the processing is done. So we could click on this play button and it would start doing the processing for us. It would take a couple of minutes depending on the size of the video. And once it's done, this is the output we would have.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I won't lie, I spent the last 3 weeks shooting this video.
Wow, that was amazing. It actually changed me into SRK. Again, guys, you could do this for any celebrity you want, but be sure to use this technology responsibly and ethically. And one interesting use case of this is to use this for your own content creation, which means you could clone your own face and your voice, and you could use AI spokespersons to create content for yourself using this. I think it's an interesting thing to try out.
And that's how you can transform into Shah Rukh Khan or any other celebrity using deepfake technology. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are excited to try it out for yourself. Remember, always use these tools ethically and responsibly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, this is Shah Rukh Khan signing off.